A place where exists because of endless love made by Bagu and Olin. For them, love knew no bound. They eloped and they settled together in the place now called Bagulin, coined after their names. Bagulin is a place where peace is present, a place where history and its natural resources are rich, a place where beautiful, diverse people living together with peace, love, and harmony, a place where you can find the meaning of natural and beauty, a place where people fearing God. That is Bagulin, my home.
Thank you for watching.